Now we're going to make the little black cat. First of all, you need to find two round things, one a little bit bigger than the other. And on your paper, I've used black for my cat, but you can use any colour. If you draw around the big one, and then just overlap it a tiny bit. Don't make them touch each other, just go over the top a little bit. Draw round the other one, and then some ears and a tail, and that will be your cat shape that you cut out. And this is what they look like when you've cut them out. So we've got a cat shape ready, and then you need to take your big circle and draw round and cut out lots more big circles, and then each big circle you fold in half, and you need quite a lot of these. And then if you take your glue stick and stick one on top of the other, and the next one, and the next one, and then you'll find you can open it out and you've got a nice round tummy for your cat. When you've got enough circles, so you put some glue onto its body and stick it down, and your cat is all ready for you to put on some eyes, and a little cat face, little nose. Doesn't show up very well on there, but you can use a different colour. And then if you want to hang your cat in the window, you can just put a string on the top and hang it up and frighten people away at Halloween.